How to open a sealed container of Rust Bullet Solvent. 1. Place the container on a stable, level surface. Ensure the area is well ventilated and free from any ignition sources. 2. Remove the outer cap. Press down firmly on the child-resistant cap and turn it counterclockwise to remove. 3. Puncture the inner metal seal. Using a small standard screwdriver, position the tip in the center of the metal plug. Gently tap the screwdriver with a small hammer to puncture the seal. 4. Remove the metal plug. Once punctured, angle the screwdriver and carefully pry up the plug to fully remove the seal. 5. After use, reseal the container. Replace the plastic child-resistant cap securely and store the container in a cool, dry area, away from open flames, sparks, or heat sources.